Yeah, hello friends. This video we are going to learn how to write the subset relation between the given sets. For the sake of example, we are going to solve the main question 5 from the Maharashtra State Board 9th Standard Mathematics 1 subject, that is from algebra subject. The question is in front of you. Write the subset relation between the following sets, and we are given sets here. In case of such problems, we need to carefully go through actual sets which are given. So in this case, let's go through the sets first. P is a subset of residents of Pune. M is a set of residents of Madhya Pradesh. Capital I is a set of residents of Indore. Capital B is a set of residents of India. And H is a set of residents of Maharashtra. Now these sets are given to us. We are going to write the subset relation between given set. So basically, first of all, we'll go one by one. In this particular set, the capital P is nothing but our universal set, because set P is nothing but the set of residents of India, and this Maharashtra state, Madhya Pradesh state, Indore and Pune city, these two cities and these two states are part of our country India. Hence, capital B is a universal set in this case. Capital B is universal set. Now we are going to write subset relation between two given sets. We all know that Pune is present in Maharashtra state. Sorry. So basically, Pune city is a part of Maharashtra. Hence, we can say that set P is a subset of set H. For first thing, we are going to write first subset relation. We are going to write here as Pune city, the part of Maharashtra. Hence, we can say that P set of H. P subset of H. This is our first subset relation given set. Now for second relation, we can say that, see, as Pune is a city of Maharashtra, Indore is also a city present in Madhya Pradesh state. So we can say that I is a subset of capital M. Same justification we are going to write as Indore city is a part of Madhya Pradesh state. Hence, we can say that I subset of M. Let's proceed further for the third subset relation. Now, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, these both states are part of our India country. So we can say that M is a subset of B and H is also a subset of B, as Maharashtra state is part of India. Hence, H subset of B. Similarly, we can write for Madhya Pradesh as Madhya Pradesh state is a part of India. Hence, we can say that M subset of B. More subset relations can be derived. Now, Pune is a part of Maharashtra. So we can say that Pune is part of India also. So we can say that set T is subset of B also. Hence, we can say that set of similarly pure city. Hence, I subset B. So by this way, we have derived six subset relations between the given set of some cities and some states. I hope you have understood this video. This problem is present the practice set 1.3 of main question number 5 of Maharashtra State Board 9th standard. Thank you.